Welcome to our channel, where we will explore the incredible power of prayer together, and how it can transform our lives. Saint Teresa of Ávila, also known as Saint Teresa of Jesus, was a mystic and reformer of the Order of Carmelites in the 16th century. His deep spirituality and inspiring prayers continue to touch hearts of many believers around the world. The prayer of Saint Teresa of Ávila invites us to trust in divine providence and to seek inner peace amidst life's adversities. Saint Teresa of Ávila was the first woman to be declared a doctor of the Church. Lived between 1515 and 1582, a life of dedication, study and faith. His studies and writings have a strong doctrine that helps us in the development of spirituality. Among his writings is this prayer that leads us to reflect on life and have the calm to face difficulties, because God is enough. Pray this prayer from Saint Teresa of Ávila. Prayer of Saint Teresa of Ávila to overcome fear. Nothing disturbs you, nothing scares you, everything passes, God does not change, patience reaches everything, whoever has God lacks nothing, only God is enough. Elevate your thoughts, ascend to the sky, don't worry for anything, don't worry for anything. Follow Jesus Christ, with great dedication, and, come what may, nothing will scare you. Do you see the glory of the world? It is vain glory, nothing is stable, everything passes. Desire heavenly things, which last forever, faithful and rich in promises, God does not change. Love Him as He deserves, immense kindness, whoever has God, even if they go through difficult times, since God is your treasure, you lack nothing. Only God is enough. As we recite this prayer, we are reminded of God's constant presence in our lives and the importance of trusting in it at all times. May Saint Teresa's words strengthen and guide us, bringing peace and serenity to our hearts, and help us face difficulties with faith and courage. Amen. If you liked the video, remember to like, subscribe, share and activate the bell.